I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. And it's from JUVIA'S place. Yay! Ah! Hello my kittens, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Guys, I am so happy to be back and in front of the camera. I know I've been gone for like about a month, but it's really only because there has been no new products coming out in the makeup industry. I feel like there was kind of a makeup lull after the Christmas season because everyone put out their Christmas collections, and then for the whole month of January, it was just kind of like crickets, like where are the products? But happily the wait is over because a lot of makeup companies are launching new products, especially in time for Valentine's Day. And one of those companies just so happens to be my favorite makeup company, and that is JUVIA'S place. So as you guys saw in the title, I am going to be showing you guys what I got in my new JUVIA'S place Valentine's Day mystery box. I am actually still waiting for my package to arrive. The mail said it was supposed to arrive at 1 o'clock today. It is now like almost 1:45 and I still haven't seen it. So while I wait for my package, why don't you guys go ahead and click that big red subscribe button, give me a big fat thumbs up, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. Oh my gosh, guys, okay, I'm literally creeping out my window right now and I see the mail truck, so I'm gonna go ahead and run outside and go grab my package, and then when I come back, we will start this mystery box unveiling. So, be right back. Okay guys, I just got my package. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I wanted to do it on camera so you guys know 100% I did not look. I'm not cheating. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. Okay guys, so let me tell you why I'm a little bit confused. Online, I thought that the mystery box products were gonna come in a heart-shaped container that looked like this. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see. But I'm looking in the box and I see all the products. So I guess that the actual mystery box comes in the actual shipping box. So that was a little bit like, what? But without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And just to let you guys know, this mystery box cost $15 and there's supposed to be 4 items in it. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the biggest item that I see. And I think it might be an eyeshadow palette because I own so many JUVIA'S place palettes. So let's check it out. Ooh, okay, I am right. It is an eyeshadow palette and this is the Queen palette. This is what the packaging looks like, guys, and I'm pretty sure I do not have this palette, which is a big bonus. So let me see what it says on the back. It says that this palette features 6 high pigments that are multifunctional. So okay, I am very excited. You guys know how much I love eyeshadow palettes. So let me go ahead and open it up real quick. I am so excited to see what the color story is. Let's open it up. You know, I'll open it this way so we can look at it together. So, dun 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 dun. Oh, yes. Okay, let me go a little bit closer so you guys can see the color story. Yes, these are some colors that I can truly get behind. I'm already loving this pink and this red, and this looks like a little bit of a like deep orangey red shimmer color, which I love. What do you guys think? So cute. So I took the liberty of swatching all of the shades on my arm right here. And guys, I think that this orangey shimmer shade would have to be my favorite. It's called Glam, and it's this one right here. And yeah, I am very happy. As you guys know, I love JUVIA'S Place's eyeshadows. If you haven't seen my other video of me reviewing the mini eyeshadow palettes, I would definitely check that out. But yeah, I am very happy with this first item and I'm ready to check out the next one. Okay, so the next item I see is a lip gloss. Ooh, okay guys. This is what the packaging looks like, and guys, isn't that so pretty? My favorite color is blue, so this is definitely calling my name. And this lip gloss is in shade Disco Fever. So I wonder if this lip gloss is going to be blue. Let's go ahead and open it up and find out. And yeah, actually, guys, I can't really tell if this is like a super light blue or a silver, but this is what it looks like. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see it. What do you guys think? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my arm so we can see, but so far it looks really pretty. As I'm looking at this more up close, this is definitely just like a clear gloss with silver sparkles in it, which is amazing. That means that it's totally wearable for me because I don't see myself wearing like a light blue lip gloss, obviously. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand right here so we can see what it looks like. Ooh. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Like I said, it's just a very simple clear gloss with some light reflexes of glitter, which I love. So I'm already very happy with this. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my lips so I can see how it feels. So let me put that on. Okay, yeah, this is very, very pretty. It doesn't feel sticky. It smells good. It smells just like a very, very light fragrance. And yeah, I would say I'm very happy with this gloss. Okay, we are 2 for 2. Let's get to the other 2. Next product I see looks to be like a brush. Okay, that's pretty cool because I didn't even know that Juvia's Place had like face brushes. And this brush is a highlighter brush. Okay. Very cute. It feels really soft. It has that purple Juvia's Place color that they love so much. And I think that this is really cute. I can put it right here when I'm doing my highlighter and then like a little bit on my nose. So I know I will definitely be using this. So pretty cool. And last but certainly not least, the last product is a, let's see. This is a Luxe Liner, so a lip liner. Ooh, okay, and this Luxe Liner is in shade Scorpio, okay. I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what color it is. So 1 second. Okay, so this is what the lip liner looks like. And guys, I just realized that the shade of the lip liner is right here. So I'm pretty sure the lip liner is going to be like this very deep brown red. But let's go ahead and check it out. I'll just swatch it on the back of my hand so we can see. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna swatch a little bit more. And yeah, so it's like a very, very deep brown red. So this will be great for me because I wear deep red lipsticks literally all the time, 24/7. It's one of my favorite lipstick colors. So I think this will definitely be great to add to my collection. And once again, I am not mad at it. I'm very happy. Alrighty guys, that is it for this mystery box reveal. And just for the fun of it, I wanted to see how much money I saved by buying a mystery box versus buying each item by itself. So I went online and I found out that this palette cost $15. This lip gloss cost $13. The lip liner cost $10, and I think that the brush is an exclusive mystery box item because they're not selling it on the website. So I'm just gonna say that this brush would probably be $5 like retail price. So everything added up comes up to $43, and the mystery box only cost $15. So I saved $28, which is a massive savings. And guys, that's why I love mystery boxes so much, because you can add to your collection but save so much money. So I would highly recommend you getting another mystery box from them in the future. And guys, if you enjoy mystery box reveals, definitely check out my other video. It's me doing a mystery box opening from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and that was so much fun to open as well. So definitely check that out. Okay, my kittens, that is it for today's video, and I had so much fun opening up that mystery box with you guys. Definitely stay tuned for more videos to come in the future. I am rolling out videos all February long, so make sure you come back on Tuesdays and Fridays for new videos from me. Okay guys, I love you so very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!